Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete a Trello account in 2024. So whether you are trying to switch some tools or you're just maybe cleaning up your digital space, deleting your Trello account is a straightforward process. So to do it, make sure to follow the step-by-step guide to understand basically how to delete your Trello account. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. All you need to do, just go to the URL section, type trello.com and hit your enter button. This should take you right away into your Trello dashboard or account. If you're not logged in yet, as an example, all you need to do, of course, you'll be taken to this page. So click on login to log in into your account. And as you can see, you'll have a Google, Microsoft, Apple account or Slack account. If you created your account using one of those, you can simply log in with it. So in here, as an example, or as we said, to delete our Trello account, all we need to do, just go and access the settings, first of all, of that Trello account. So where can you find that? Simply, you'll find it here at the top right corner. You'll find your account there, click on it. And as you can see, here you'll find multiple stuff. So all we need to do here is just go and click on manage accounts. So once we click on manage accounts, as you can see, we'll be taken here to another page, Atlassian account page. What we'll need to do here is, as you can see, if you go like through those settings in here, because this is an Atlassian, of course, account, Trello is included in Atlassian. As you can see, you'll not find any delete like option. If you go through it, like as you can see. So where you need to do, simply go back in here to this, simply click on it and click on settings. So in that settings option, make sure you are on settings, not anywhere else. And all you need to do, just scroll down to the bottom a little bit and you'll find manage or delete your Atlassian account. Click on that. So as you can see, you'll be taken to the same place. As you can see here, you'll be able to find yourself in this Atlassian account. So if you scroll down here about you, as you can see, all you need to do is, or you will find simply your contacts, your about you, profile picture, example here, manage your personal account and control which information other people see. Example here, you can learn about your profile visibility. Here you can see the privacy policy, of course, if you're interested about that. But before, as an example, deleting your accounts, I accessed this article to show you what's going to be deleted with your account. As an example, so delete your Atlassian account, you can delete your Atlassian account, and you'll have 14 days grace period following deletion request, during which your account will appear as temporarily deactivated. You can cancel the deletion in this time. Once this period ends, the account will be permanently deleted. Keep that in mind. And as you can see, this page explains how to delete your Atlassian account. Of course, if you want to stop subscribing to Atlassian products, you can click in here, of course, to cancel it. And if your organization admin look into delete an account that your organization manage, you can click here to delete and manage account. And what will be deleted with your account, basically, if you delete your account, you will no longer be able to access Atlassian products or services with that account. You'll be able to raise technical support tickets. You won't, sorry. To support Atlassian, you won't be able to access your profile or post ads community. And after you delete your account, personal data will be also be deleted from all your Atlassian services access by your account within 30 days, unless we are required to keep it for legitimate business or legal purposes. We may need to retain information related to purchases, record showing that we deleted your account or data that's part of an active lawsuit. Of course, data will be deleted: full name, public name, email address, job title, department, organization, Atlassian profile picture, location, and time zone. And data won't be deleted is the content you created with Atlassian accounts, services such as page, issues, and comments you created in Atlassian products, any personal data mentioned in content that's been created, such as name or email addresses typed into page or issue, and your profile information that might have been stored in a marketplace and custom app installed products. So how to delete your account? Go to account settings here, go to account preferences, navigate to delete your account and select delete your account. As simple as that. So as you can see, if you want to cancel a subscription, they show you how, and to delete a managed account, they'll show you even how if you have this problem. So as they said, you can go to account preferences, and here you'll be able to click on delete account. You'll find this right there. So you will have to simply access or allow this, click on delete account, and you should be good to go. For me, I'll just click on cancel because I don't want to delete my account. For you, your Trello account or Atlassian account, which includes Trello, will be deleted and you will be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.